Hi, this is Keith Sorem. Merry Christmas from Keller Williams. This is the market report for Glendale, California for November 2008. Most of you have been reading very negative headlines about the economy, and that is having some effect on the real estate market, although some markets are faring better than others. As most of you know, if you follow my reports, I use a market index to track the overall sales trend. The index above 1.20 is a seller's market. Between 1.2 and 0.8 is a neutral market. Below 0.8 is a buyer's market. We've been in a buyer's market for about 4 years right now. The market index for Glendale for the month of November was 0.32 compared to 0.3 for September. So it dropped a little bit. It dropped 2 points. Given the overall swings of some of the other areas, that's relatively modest. We had 53 new listings come on the market in November compared to 88 listings in October. That 88 listing mark in October was one of the highest ever for the month of October. That's compared to 81 listings last November. So it's interesting that the volume of new listings has declined somewhat. New pending listings, listings that go into escrow during the month, 42 listings entered escrow, the same as in October, compared to 25 in November. That's an important issue because these listings that are pending are going to be sold the next month or so. So the pending ratio went way up. It went to 0.79, up from 0.48. That means a year ago it was 0.31. So although we're seeing a shift in the overall business climate and we're seeing a shift in activity in real estate, when listings hit the market, if they're priced right, they're going into escrow. Now this is also important for people that are thinking of buying or selling. Listing inventory is 295 listings. That's down from 324 in October. More importantly, it's down from 463 in November of 2007. So we're seeing fewer listings going on the market, more listings proportionally going into escrow, and less listing inventory. The average sales price declined. It was at $572.03. That's down 15.1% from November of 2007. However, if you look back at some of my other reports, we saw decreases of over 20% year on year. So this appears to be showing that the amount of decrease is decreasing. It's declining. Could we be approaching the bottom of the market? If you look at average sales price, it actually has gone up on average since September. Price per square foot is another useful tool for measuring the shift in home values. I don't know if it's accurate for a specific month, but overall trend lines can be plotted. The price per square foot is up from October to $361.12, down from November of 2007 by 12.2%. So that means although the average sales price declined in the month, it is still above the low in September. If you look at this graph, here is the average sale price, September, November, October, November. Here, the same trend line. We're seeing this in a couple of different markets. My personal feeling is that it very well may be that September was the bottom of the market. So if you're trying to time the market as a buyer, and you don't want to pay too much, it's very hard to do, but interest rates just dropped big time this week. So I encourage you, if you're thinking of buying and you have questions, by all means feel free to call me. My name is Keith Sorem. You can visit me online at www.beautifulglendalehomes.com, or you're welcome to call me 1-888-284-2056. This is Keith Sorem signing off, and have a Merry Christmas.